If you're working hard, earning money, but somehow your bank account still hits zero before the next paycheck, this video might change your life. Living paycheck to paycheck is exhausting. It feels like you're running on a treadmill that never turns off, and the worst part, even if you get a raise, it doesn't seem to fix the problem. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. Breaking free isn't about making more money first. It's about changing what happens the moment money hits your account. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what to do starting today to stop the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Let's get into it. First, we need to understand the real problem. Most people think they live paycheck to paycheck because they don't make enough. Sometimes that's true, but more often, it's because there's no system. Money comes in, bills go out, swipes happen, and you just hope it works out. That's not a plan. That's survival mode. So here's step number 1. Pay yourself first, automatically, not manually, not if there's extra. Automatically. The day your paycheck hits, a portion needs to move immediately into savings before you can touch it, even if it's just 5%. Let's say you make $3,000 a month. If you automate $150 into a separate savings account the same day you get paid, you won't feel it as much because you never see it. Think of it like this. If your job suddenly cut your paycheck by 5%, you'd adjust. You'd make it work. So flip the script, cut it yourself, and give it to future you. By the way, if you're ready to take control of your finances and make smarter money decisions, I've created an easy to understand and affordable finance course called Smart Money Foundations. It's a clear, practical system that shows you how to manage, invest, and grow your money and build long-term wealth the smart way. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Step number 2, create a bare minimum budget. Not a Pinterest perfect budget, not 47 categories, just this. What is the minimum amount you need to survive each month? List only essentials, rent or mortgage utilities, groceries, transportation insurance, minimum debt payments. That's it. Now you have clarity. When you don't know your survival number, everything feels stressful. When you do know it, you're in control. Here's a quick story. I once worked with someone who swore they were drowning financially. The problem wasn't income. It was untracked spending on food delivery, subscriptions, and random Amazon purchases. Clarity removes fear. Step number 3, build a $1,000 mini emergency fund as fast as possible. This is your first milestone. Why $1,000? Because emergencies are what keep people stuck. Car repair, credit card, medical bill, credit card, unexpected expense, credit card. And suddenly, you're not just paycheck to paycheck, you're paycheck to debt. Your first mission is to create a buffer between you and chaos, sell stuff, pick up one weekend shift, freelance, drive rideshare temporarily, go intense for 30, 60 days. This isn't forever, it's a sprint. Once you hit $1,000, you'll feel something powerful. Breathing room, and breathing room changes behavior. Step number 4, stop lifestyle creep immediately. This one is sneaky. You get a raise, you upgrade your car, move to a nicer place, increase spending just a little. And somehow, you're still broke. Here's the rule. Every time your income increases, increase your savings rate first, not your lifestyle. If you get a $400 monthly raise, pretend it doesn't exist for 90 days. Send it straight to savings or debt. Most people upgrade their expenses. We're upgrading your net worth. Step number 5, increase income. Strategically, yes, budgeting matters, but there's a limit to cutting. There's no limit to earning. Once you've stabilized your spending, start looking at ways to increase income that build skills. Ask for a raise, switch companies, learn a high-income skill, start a small side business. The goal isn't to hustle forever. The goal is to create margin. When your income significantly exceeds your essentials, the paycheck to paycheck cycle breaks permanently. Let me give you the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop asking, can I afford this? Start asking, is this moving me further away from freedom? Every dollar you spend is either building your future or extending your struggle. Now, I want you to do something right after this video ends. Open your banking app, calculate your bare minimum number, set up one automatic transfer, even if it's small, and commit to building that $1,000 buffer. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a starting move. Most people stay stuck for years because they wait for the right time. There is no right time, there is only today. If this video helped you see money differently, hit that like button. Subscribe for weekly personal finance strategies that actually work in real life, and drop a comment below. What's the first step you're taking this week to break the paycheck to paycheck cycle? Let's build financial freedom, one paycheck at a time.